Run a great affiliate marketing business with this advice. There are many ways to get rich quick out there. Unfortunately, affiliate marketing isn't one of them. If you wanted to get into marketing because you thought you would make money in a hurry, then it's obvious that you don't understand how affiliate marketing works. That's why you need videos like this, in order to put you back on the right path. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. If you ever become involved with a self-hosted affiliate and begin to do well, turning out big commissions, you should never be afraid to ask for more money. Product providers want to keep their best earning affiliates, and you can get a 10% bump by simply asking for it, so do not shy away from asking. You should check often to see how well banners, text links and recommendations are doing. If you find that one is doing better than another, you should change your tactics so you can yield maximum profits and sales results. Checking these statistics quite often will increase your earning commissions. Earn more on your website or blog by balancing out pay-per-click advertising with affiliate links. Affiliate links should take more of your high-profile advertising space because they earn you more money per click. Affiliate marketing programs also give you more control over the content of the advertising on your site, which is important in building up your reputation with readers. The path you choose will, ultimately, decide where you end up. You could be a flash-in-the-pan marketer whose profits barely cover expenses, or you could be a success entrepreneur whose profits lead to massive market expansion. The choice is yours. Just remember to refer back to any helpful information, just like you've just watched here, in order to get help on your way. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.